Do you know that buying a car with a number plate already on saves your time? Instead of you waiting for 2 weeks, here at Subaru Motors Uganda, we have cars whereby you just pay now and you drive off with your motor vehicle, even without waiting a single minute. All these cars, I'm assuring you that they have never been driven here in Uganda. Saving time, it means saving money. The intention is saving customers time. You pay today, you go back with your car today. So well, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go through about the prices of our different motor vehicles, and these ones are ready cars, like ready to go cars. You just buy now and you drive off now, and they all have newer numbers, digital numbers.
Buli kika kyonna kya motoka oyagala zaakabi oyagala ki jangu sembera kumpa omusajja ono olaba buli kimu kyonna kimaliriza ku Subaru Motors Uganda.
Here we have this Toyota Wish model 2011. It is a new model, already with a digital number plate, never driven in Uganda, and it is only going for 35 million Ugandan shillings. You can get your car here at Subaru Motors Uganda, just a buy and drive motor vehicle. People have been looking for the IST in Uganda and they are not there, but here at Subaru Motors Uganda we have them, and we do have them in different colors, like we have pearl white, we have silver, we have silver grey, and we also have maroon. Now this is a Toyota IST model 2011. It is digital number, and now this one, it is only costing 39 million Ugandan shillings, and hey, if you are paying cash down, we can still negotiate on that price. We do have MarkX available. This MarkX we have MarkX 2010, 2011, 2012, up to 2018 models. But these ones with the number plate, these are 2012 and 2011. I don't know how much are they costing. If you are buying cash, they are costing in the price of 36 million. You can get yourself this MarkX. 36, 38, and 40 million. You can get yourself one of these ones. And they are available also in different colors, different specs. Like my cameraman can show you the 360 view of this place, and you see for yourself how many MarkX we have available. We even still have others in outside parking and others without number plate. So ladies and gentlemen, at Subaru Motors Uganda, you just enter, choose what you want, you move out driving. This is a Toyota Premio, the car which has been loved by all people here in Uganda. It is available here right now, and it already has number plate. It has this digital number plate, never driven in Uganda, and we are selling it here currently in price range of 48 million Ugandan shillings. You can own yourself this Toyota Premio. And we also have different numbers. We have like this silver, we have the pearl white, and many more. And we also have this Toyota Sienna. You know, there was a time when everyone was buying Toyota Sienna, most especially the Uber drivers and those people who were doing airport taxis. They were all coming for Toyota Sienna. Yeah, we still have them, like this 2012 model with the number plate already on, digital number plate. The reason why we do have these cars with the number plate on is that we are trying to minimize on the time people spend while waiting for the number plate to be fitted on. It doesn't mean that these are old cars, or it doesn't mean that these are used cars here in Uganda. These are not used cars in Uganda. They are in the same grade with those cars you will find in the, in URA bonds. But hey, This Toyota Sienna is available here at Barry Motors Uganda for sale. And you know how much it is costing? This 2012 model Toyota Sienna, it is only costing 28 million Ugandan shillings. You can own yourself this Toyota Sienna if you're buying cash. Come with your 28 and you own yourself this one here at Barry Motors Uganda. Subaru XV. There was a time when everyone was talking about Subaru XV. Yeah, we have them here at Barry Motors Uganda. On this video, we're only showing you cars which has number plates already. And this one is just ready to go. Buy and drive off. It's a Subaru XV, model 2014. It is only costing 45 million Ugandan shillings to own yourself this XV here in Uganda. Full loaded car with alloy rims, very good performance, and that has Subaru's eyesight. It's one of those crossover SUVs which you can really go for, and you get that maximum performance on road. So this Subaru XV is here to grab. Now this is Toyota Probox model 2016. It is also available here already with a number plate. Just pay and drive. At only 35 million Ugandan shillings, you can own yourself this Toyota Probox. And we have different models, like we have this one here. This is 2012. It is also available at only 33 million Ugandan shillings. This is Succeed 2012 as well. Same price, 33 million Ugandan shillings. So we have all of them. Here comes Subaru Impreza, model 2014. It's a full loaded car. At only 36 million Ugandan shillings, you can own yourself this one. And even that price is still negotiable price. 36 is it's a negotiable price. Either you want it on credit or on cash, still the price is negotiable. You can get yourself this one ready to drive with the digital number plate already on. And I can assure you that the car is really loaded with all the extras, and it's one of the highest spec you can get on Impreza, with the alloy rims, and everything is just perfect on it. Now this is a Mazda CX-5 model 2015, and it's available here at Barry Motors Uganda. Do you know how much this car costs? It's only costing 55 million Ugandan shillings. You can own yourself this Mazda CX-5 with the number plate already on, good shape, good condition, good accessories, new technology, and everything just perfect. So you can own yourself this one. This is Toyota Passo. People have been asking Toyota Passo, the performance of Toyota Passo is one of the cars which has good performance, because I also own one, and you know this one, it is good, and it's among the cars I would say that they are very affordable, very reliable. Everything about this motor vehicle is just good. And you know what? It's only costing 22 million Ugandan shillings. You can own yourself this Toyota Passo here in Uganda. 2011, 2012, full loaded, everything on, just ready to go. Toyota Passo for you. Now this is Subaru Forester 2011. It's also available here at Barry Motors Uganda, and we are demanding only 40 million for this Subaru Forester, and with the number plate already on, just ready to go. Mitsubishi Outlander model 2012. It is also available here at Barry Motors Uganda. And you know what? We are only demanding 38 million for this car. Full loaded and everything is just perfect. Number plate already on. You know, I've been recommending this car to most of our clients due to its performance and the practicalities. Most especially those guys who have big family. This car is one of the crossover SUVs we have on market with 7 seating capacity, and most affordable among them all, because as I told you, with only 38 million Ugandan shillings, most especially if you're buying it cash down, we can give you this motor vehicle here at Barry Motors Uganda. And if you are buying on cash, there is a room of negotiating even on that price. And this is a Land Cruiser TX petrol engine, model 2013, and we are demanding only 135 million Ugandan shillings for this motor vehicle. Ladies and gentlemen, as I told you that at Barry Motors Uganda, you just walk in, you will get all the vehicles of your desire. As I told you that we have all vehicle brands, and we have all vehicles with number plates, without number plates, most especially the ones which has never been driven in Uganda. Barry Motors Uganda, we do specialize more on imported vehicles in the country. So keep on checking at on the channel, because we will keep on updating you with the new trends, with new motor vehicles, and with good reviews. As I told you that we do have all type of vehicles available on market, from Mercedes, Toyota, Nissan, Audi, BMWs, Mazdas, Subarus, and all other brands of vehicles, like Jeep, Dodge, just name it. Barry Motors Uganda, we are here for you. So from the guys and the title, goodbye and be blessed. Goodbye.